Y262 comes from those determined not to lose the seeds, the essence of what makes us Maori. Kia kore ai e ngaro, he kākano I ruia mai I rangi Aotea.
Kia ora tātou. Kia ora. Kia ora. Kia ora tātou. Kia ora. Kia ora koutou.
Kia ora koutou katoa.
Kia ora.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Greetings to everyone. Haere mai. Kia ora ana katoa toa.
Kia ora koutou katoa. May good health be with you.
Kia ora. Kia ora.
This is Y262 claim for Mātauranga Māori, the intellectual knowledge of our ancestors, all those properties in artistic forms, all of our whakapapa, all of our waiata, all taonga in the total environment of te ao Māori, of the Māori.
We need to have a new approach, a framework based on tikanga Māori principles as opposed to, your standard Western model.
The Wairua claim, the Mauri claim, the Tino Rangatiratanga claim, the Manamotuhake claim. But essentially, it is the Aroha claim. Because the vision is so big, you have to have big aroha.
That you become the means by which it makes it easier for us to look after our taonga. That's what I would like.
I want us Te Ao Māori to have mana Māori motuhake, which leads to tino rangatiratanga.
Our hapu e wham, our mana e wham. So that there's a happy relationship between law, L-O-R-E, law, L-A-W.
So it's got to get to the core, the source of the problem are all laws in this country. The Crown's responsibility must be faced up to directly, and they must begin to meet us as Sir Paul said, in a power-sharing responsibility.
This claim kind of pulls all of those things together and helps enable our future the way we choose it. The difference with the Y262 claim is it's looking forward, it's not looking back. It's looking to pave our path ahead for our mokos and our mokos.
So that their hope for some advancement come to pass, not in some dilution and Crown-controlled idea of intellectual property, not in some way that restricts manaakitanga to current ethos of copyright and so on, but an imaginative way forward that preserves tino rangatiratanga as a sphere of influence over which Māori exercise control.
As I listen to the ora of these taonga that are a part of our DNA, I hear ngā kōrero tuku iho a rātou mā.
Pass to us ngā Kanohi Ora along the taura that binds those from before to those beyond, weaving us into the fabric of our kaupapa, Tiaki Taonga.
Me mauri ora for taonga tuku iho and mana for Aotearoa is written in the stars.
This is mana motuhake.
This is tino rangatiratanga.
This is wairua onorua.
This is our future.
Thank you again for participating, and may the wishes of those who made that first claim find fulfillment in the not too distant future.
Listen to the tangi of the pūkaya as we call on Kai Tiaki Taonga.
Nā reira, e mea ana mātou, kia whiria mai te iwi ki tēnei taurahere. He taurahere o wairua onorua o Tiaki Taonga. Go to tiakitaonga.com Join the movement.